Alright, this will be a new video. Weird one. All about the July car pack.
Alright, dude. Let me know what you need.
I'll just split these in separate videos. Drive them around, show off a little bit. Get me used to doing. Oh God. Oh my God, poor Hennessy. Hey, there he is. Oh God, I am so sorry, dude. God, this car sounds so gorgeous. Yay! Spin for a prize. Yay! Sweet. Free cars. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. And to garage.
Congrats! You just bagged our top cash prize. Why don't you head over to the auto show and buy yourself something?
Oh my God, man. Watch out. I have nearly every freaking car in this game. I just don't want to buy certain specific ones to do that. The raindrops, it just makes the game even more beautiful to play. Oh. Look at this car meeting and switch. Go to the next car. Whoa, I didn't know. Wow, they actually added a couple features. Okay. yellow contrast stitching on this car just makes it look even deadlier with the car being black on black. Just like I said, with a Hellcat. Alright, I hope y'all enjoy this video. Have a couple more videos to after this one, and add this to a new video playlist. So, like and subscribe.